In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear filters in Excel. We will walk through it together so you can see every row in your sheet again with confidence. First, launch Excel on your device. When Excel opens, you will usually see a start screen with recent files in the center and some template options. If Excel takes you straight into a blank workbook, that is fine as well. You just need the program running. Give it a moment to fully load so all the ribbon tabs appear along the top. Now, open an existing book. You can click on one of the recent files if your workbook appears there, or use the Open option and browse to where your file is saved. Once the workbook is open, look for a sheet that already has filters applied, usually a list or a table of data. You will often see small arrows in some header cells when a filter is turned on, which helps confirm you are in the right place. Next, click any single cell inside your data table with an existing filter. It does not need to be in the header row, just anywhere in the filtered range. When your cursor is in the filtered area, Excel understands which set of rows and columns you want to work with. A quick way to confirm the data is filtered is to check if some row numbers on the left are blue or appear skipped, which means some rows are currently hidden. From there, go to the Data tab. You will find the Data tab along the top of Excel on the ribbon, usually between Formulas and Review. Click it once and the toolbar underneath will change to show groups like Sort and Filter, Data Tools, and Outline. In the Sort and Filter group, you should see icons for Sort A to Z, Sort Z to A, Filter, and a Clear button. If you do not see these, make sure your Excel window is maximized so all commands are visible. Now click the Clear button, the funnel icon with a red X. As soon as you click it, Excel removes all active filters from the current range. Hidden rows will reappear, and your row numbers on the left will return to a continuous sequence. The little filter icons in the header row stay visible, but their symbols change back to the standard funnel, meaning no column is currently filtered. There is no extra confirmation box here. The change happens instantly, and if you filtered several columns before, this single clear action resets them all at once. You have now launched Excel, opened your workbook, selected your filtered data, gone to the Data tab, and cleared every filter so all rows are visible again. If this helped you get your full Excel table back on screen, a quick thumbs up helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more simple Excel walkthroughs like this.